What's up, class? Evans here. Today we are making these shapes. Let's get started. If you look at the sphere, it just starts with an outer circle. And I've already showed you how to do an outer circle. So let's make one. Let's do it exactly like we made the circles before with a 7x7 box. Now remember this 7x7 box, the midpoints is where we're aiming. And we also had a point right here. One diagonally in from the corners. This gives us our circle that we're aiming for. Once I have my circle, if you notice in the middle of it, it has like a hemisphere kind of look, like a globe. So I'm going to aim for about the middle down here, and I'm going to just kind of draw an oval. And it kind of arcs back this way. I don't want to make my arc too dark in the middle, but something like that. Remember, you're avoiding trying to pinch them in and make them look like footballs or eyeballs or anything like that. So make sure that it's very circular. Now the next part that really sells it is the shading. So if you think of this as like Earth and the sun is putting real bright light right here, then it will cause shade to be on this side. So I'm going to try to make like shading, instead of doing lines, I'm going to do kind of circular motions. And I'm just going to echo out. So I'm going to start dark here and just echo out lighter and lighter and lighter. And kind of smooth it out with my finger. And add in the shading as I see it needed. There's another one that's similar to this, and it is not a circle or a sphere, but rather one that's more like an oval. And this shape is actually called, it's an oval or ellipse, but it's a 3D version of it, which I think is called an ovoid, something like that. It's like a 3D ellipse. I'm going to, I don't want to do 7 by, I think I'm gonna maybe go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make it 10. That's a mid. There we go. I'm gonna make it 5 by 10. So I'll have my midpoints here, 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 and here. That gives me kind of a point to start and a point to end. Remember, always trying to draw this stuff light, and then you can darken it up when you have confidence in how it looks. Same thing, I'm going to now have a hemisphere line, kind of showing the exact middle of it. And then it also has another one on this side, on the left. So I want to start in the middle, and I'm trying to aim down towards a line and a half over. And then you're going to follow through with your shading. Darker towards the bottom side. Make arc shapes, and then lighter towards the top. And that's how you quickly make this kind of shape.